National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Van Buren County in southwestern Michigan, Allegan County in southwestern Michigan, Kalamazoo County
It looks like it's affecting the city of Kalamazoo, Michigan.
Until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's 4:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms
it looks like this storm is fast moving.
A line extending from 15 miles northwest
the storm is now moving fast.
Lakeville, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Saugatuck, Moline, Kalamazoo, Dorr, Fenville, Richland, Oshtemo, Glendale, Bangor, Ganges, Climax, Parchment, Covert, Comstock, Burnips, Wayland, Comstock Northwest, South Haven, Oversell, Lawton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To a forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles